Quality furniture construction is easy to accomplish with quality tools. Woodpecker's 6-inch Carpenter Square is just such a tool. Woodpecker's 6-inch Carpenter Square is a perfectly machined combination 90 and 45 degree miter square, which features engraved inch-scale markings on the vertical leg and handles for a physical reference to the edge of the workpiece, to ensure that perfect 45 and 90 degree angle every time. Quality begins with the blade being machined from high-grade cast and ground aluminum tooling plate. By milling the blade from the single plate, both angles are held to a much higher degree of precision than what's possible from stamped or molded plastic tools. The solid aluminum handles are fastened to the body with high-strength socket screws. Separating the handles from the blade ensures that they can be recalibrated to the blade if knocked out of position. So if you're looking to up your speed and accuracy in the layout of your woodworking projects, then consider adding Woodpecker's 6-inch Carpenter Square to your woodworking toolbox. Like all Woodpecker brand woodworking tools, the 6-inch Carpenter Square.
A beaded face frame is a great way to add detail and richness to all kinds of cabinets. It's a feature that really sets them apart from ordinary cabinets like this one. Just a flat face frame, no detail to it at all. Now compare that to this that has a beaded face frame.
This fine beaded edge used to be a detail that only high-end cabinet shops or advanced woodworkers could achieve.
Today, Craig is revolutionizing the way we build beaded face frames, the same way they revolutionized wood joinery. Their all-new tool makes building beaded face frames faster, easier, and more affordable than ever before.
The old way of constructing a beaded face frame was to create each bead molding separately, and then painstakingly attach each piece to the frame, adjusting the miters as necessary, and sometimes adjusting them over and over again, before finally gluing and nailing them in place. And even though it was a terribly slow and painstaking process, the results were often less than perfect.
Another option was to buy a specialized machine that does nothing but make beaded face frames. Of course, then you have to find space for it in your shop. And that's not to mention the fact that these machines can cost thousands of dollars and still be very complicated to operate. But like I said, that's the old way. Now, I'd like to introduce you to the Craig Precision Beaded Face Frame System.
This system does away with complicated techniques and costly machines because it works with tools you already own, a router and a router table. The setup is quick and easy, and the results are spectacular. Every joint is accurate, every bead is flawless.
So let's take a look at how the system works. I've already installed the tool on my router table and made all the necessary adjustments. And here I've got a couple frame pieces that I'm going to use for my first cut.
I'm cutting the stiles 2 at a time to prevent tear out and save time. At the ends of the stiles, I make 2 passes to cut the joint. Then I adjust the stop to the next location and cut another notch, this time in just 1 pass. Next, I route the ends of the rails to fit into the notches I just cut. Once all the notches are complete, I replace the notch cutting bit with a beading bit and trade the beaded face frame fence for my regular router table fence. Then I simply route a beaded edge directly onto each of the frame pieces. All that's left is to assemble the frame using Craig joinery.
Clearly, the Precision Beaded Face Frame system marks a revolution in custom cabinet building. What once required painstaking setups on multiple tools or an expensive dedicated machine is now accessible to everyone. Now you can build beautiful face frames quickly, easily, and affordably.
Presenting the 309 Legend Square. This tough square is designed for the professional with Capro's unique and innovative features. The 309 has a high-impact polymer handle with a unique support ledge which keeps the square in place for one-handed marking. The stainless steel blade is permanently etched with inch and centimeter gradations. There is angle markings for beveling and framing at 22.5 degrees, 45 degrees, 67.5 degrees, and 90-degree angles. And there's a marking point in the handle in relation to the angle markings. The 309 is certified 90 degrees for reliable accuracy. The 309 Legend Square is available in 4 lengths: 8-inch 20cm model, a 10-inch 25cm model, 12-inch 30cm model, and a 16-inch 40cm model. Capro has applied its innovation to one of the most traditional of hand tools, the patented 309 Legend Square, with its unique support ledge for single-handed marking, permanently etched stainless steel blade, and many more features, makes it one of the best squares available.
This is the Bosch GAM 220 MF Digital Angle Finder. It locks onto fast, precise measurements and is ideal for use with a miter saw. Measure angles for roof joints, stairways, and sloped windows, or create perfect trim work and crown molding. The features let you focus on the job. The user interface is intuitive and the illuminated flip display is easy to read. The simple and compound miter function is great for making fast saw angle adjustments. The hold function lets you easily reuse and transfer saved measurements. And the mechanical lock makes transferring angles simple and quick. There's a generous measuring range of 0 to 220 degrees with measuring accuracy of 0.01 degrees. And to top it off, this Bosch angle finder is tough. Its housing meets IP54 protection standards. It comes with a carrying case and a leg extension for measuring hard-to-reach angles. Accurate angles are a thing of beauty. Get them with the Bosch GAM 220 MF Digital Angle Finder by checking out this page, and be sure to check out the full line of Bosch measuring tools.
I'm going to show you a great use for our flush mount system. Right now I got the 3/8 flush mount system in here, 3/8 drive, and what that does is we're going to create a countersink for your typical bugle head drywall screw. So you can see these anywhere, all throughout the industry. And I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is for you to countersink them with this product. All you do is just drill a couple holes, go down till the collar sinks down all the way. You can see that we got a beautiful countersink. And now all you got to do is drive your bugle head screw in, nice and flat, and then look at this, we got a 3/8 fast cap for just this purpose, right over the top. And you're gonna love it.
You would never use a cordless tool to do a job this intense, till FLEXVOLT, a new line of DeWalt cordless tools that have the power of a corded tool. With innovations like the world's first battery pack that automatically changes voltage when you change tools. And our new powerful 60-volt brushless motor that maintains speed through application, resulting in a fast, efficient cut. Along with the features you expect from DeWalt, like a variable speed trigger and a 2-position keyless blade clamp for quick and easy blade changes. And since it's a cordless tool, you're never chained to a cord or a power outlet, so you have the freedom to move from job to job to job, with enough runtime to get the work done. And a battery that adds runtime to existing DeWalt 20-volt max tools, all part of the most advanced cordless system we've ever created.
Incra's new HingeCrafter lets you create finely crafted wooden hinges with your LS positioner. Just follow the step-by-step instructions to cut, drill, and pin beautiful wooden hinges in 4 different sizes and lengths up to 10 inches. A